Hey everyone, welcome back to the RoboArmy channel. Now let's move forward and see how to assemble and test your firefighting robot from the RoboArmy kit. Once you open the kit, you will find a one-pager instruction sheet. Make sure to read it carefully and check out the circuit diagram printed on it. You will also see a QR code on the sheet. Scan it to access a detailed video tutorial for this project. Now inside the kit, you will find a semi-repaired robot frame with a pre-mounted and pre-connected components. This frame includes 3 flame sensor mounted in the front, Arduino Uno Board, L298N motor driver module, servo motor, relay module, breadboard, double battery holder and one single battery holder, water pump with attached wires. All these components come pre-connected for your convenience. In addition, you will find the following accessories in the kit: 4 wheels, 4 DC motors, USB cable for uploading code if required, extra jumper wires, battery charger, flexible pipe for water pump, 3.7 volt rechargeable batteries, acrylic chassis frame second layer, screw, columns and other mounting accessories. Before we begin assembly, take a moment to check all the pre-connected jumper wires on the semi-assembled frame. If any wire is loose or disconnected, gently fix it back into place. Once you have confirmed everything looks good, let's move it to assembly. Now we will assemble the robot chassis. Number 1. Take this acrylic chassis and position it on a flat surface. 2. Take one DC gear motor and align it with the mounting holes on the chassis. Secure it using provided screws and fastener. Repeat this process for all 4 motors. Make sure all motors are firmly fixed and facing in the correct direction. Third, next attach the wheels. Gently press each wheel onto the motor shaft until it fits snugly. 4. Now let's attach the support columns. Position them at the 4 corners of the chassis as shown in the video and secure them tightly using screws. 5. Place the second acrylic frame on top of the columns, align the holes properly and secure it using the provided screws. Make sure everything is tight, balanced and stable. Now let's connect the motor wires to the L290N motor driver. Connect motor 1 and motor 2 diagonally across the chassis. One wire from each goes to out 1. The remaining 2 wires go to out 2. Similarly, connect motor 3 and motor 4 diagonally. One wire from each goes to out 3 and the remaining 2 to out 4. Once connected, tightening all terminal screws properly. Double check all connections according to the circuit diagram. This Arduino board already has the code uploaded and tested, so you don't need to upload it again. Now paste the servo motor and flame sensors in this way properly. Before turning on the robot, let's ensure a few important points. 1. Use a small stable flame. 2. All flame sensor diodes should face straight ahead, not tilted up or down. 3. If the batteries are low, recharge them using the provided charger. 4. Perform the test in a well-lit room to avoid false flame detection. 5. Always conduct this test under adult supervision. Now place a small water container like half-cut plastic bottle at the back side of the robot. Place the water pump inside the container. Attach the flexi pipe to the pump outlet to direct the water flow. Insert the batteries. Turn on the main switch of the motor driver battery pack. Finally, press the reset button on the Arduino to initialize the program. Now comes the most exciting part, the live working test. As soon as you bring a small flame close to the robot, the flame sensor detects the direction of the fire. The robot automatically moves towards the fire source. When the flame is detected up close, it stops moving. The relay module activates, turning on the water pump. The servo motor starts sweeping side to side, spraying water to extinguish the fire. And that's how your RoboArmy firefighting robot smartly detects and extinguishes fire automatically. If you see any issue while assembling or testing your kit, feel free to reach out us on WhatsApp. Our technical support team will help you out. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next exciting project.
RoboArmy, one-stop global community for teens in robotics and AI.